What's going on, guys? Me Phoenix One here, and today, good unboxing. As you can tell, this. I took my name off it, it's obviously, so you don't know where I live or whatever. But yeah, that's what I do. Let's get into this. Paper, I think this has got my address on it. Yep. Ooh. That's it, no more in there. Obviously, first off, you get your plug. Just a standard plug, I'm guessing. Yep, USB. Right, but the big show, there's the bad boy. What is this called anyway? Did it tell you? Well, you got different colours on the side. Back, nothing. Oh, it's called a Mini 7100 in white. Android. Just the details of it. Obviously the phone itself. Oh, that's a look. Ooh, very nice. Right, get that in a minute. See what we get underneath this lot. Oh, what, really? A free case. Hopefully you guys can hear me. That's pretty nice actually. I'm going to use that. Keep it safe. Big battery. There's, yeah. Anyway. You got your wire. Pretty charger. It's open. I've just pulled the tab, but yeah, anyway. Standard charger. Then you've got headphones, yes, headphones. It's not like you can see it's plastic, I have to open it so you can see it. It's plastic headphones. I've already got some headphones, I probably wouldn't be using these, but yeah. And then you got your manual. What's all the big ones? It's how to take the phone off of that, right. Let's power this up, let's see how it works. I'll just open the phone first, not there we go. Ta-da! Right, here we go. It's got Android on the back. Nice silver edge around it. It's got a nice camera. Yeah. What is it? I don't know. Your back button, you got your home button, I think it's menu button. Your camera, your flash, speaker, headphone port, charging port, speaker, I'm not sure. Oh, let's open it. And what's this? It's plastic. Right. How do you open this? Is it here? Oh, there we go. And this is a dual SIM? Oh, what the fuck's a dual SIM? A dual SIM one. And that's, I think that's the memory card still. Where's the battery? She's already lost the battery. Clever. Did anyone else see where I put the freaking others? No. The only downside about this is I haven't actually got a SIM yet, so I can only just power it on and show you. Oh, a bit of a arcade stick. It's a lot of clips. Alright, let's power this on. Oh yeah, volume rockers. And the power button, I believe. You see my face? That's a bit fucking stupid. Ugly bastard. Right, let's clear some of this shit out. Give that the power on. That's pretty cool. Alright, there we go. So, what you've just seen is me unbox this. I cut it short because at the end of it I failed to take a picture of the phone. But what I'm going to do is quickly show you this again when it's on. Right now, right there. What I was going to do is edit in me using this camera, see how good it is, just quickly. So what I'll do is quickly show you this. It's the usual, main menu. I can't seem to move it. Oh, no, somewhere. I set up my internet. It's not really picking it up. What is this camera doing? There we go. Let's go back to the menu. Right, what I forgot to show you, here's this. The menu. Right, you've got some free apps to get with it. You've got the Play Store, music, all that. Look. That's about it, really. I can't show you much because I ain't got my SIM in it, or memory card. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video on my iPod, play this video, record on there, and hopefully, if I can, put it together. No, wait, actually it will be easier if I just do this. Let's get on camera. Quicker if I just do it this way. Right, you can see upwards. I don't want you to see my face at the moment. Okay. Well, I don't know, the camera it's okay, but it's a bit fuzzy when you move it. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's different when you record. Wait, let me have a look. It's a bit fuzzy, but at the end of the day, it's alright. Yeah, let's put a menu button. Right, so that's about it. Right, so here's the box. So I don't know what this is going to be called. Do I call it the Android Mini 7100? That's what I call it. Yeah, I'll call it that. Alright, see you guys later. Main of these one. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Sorry about the lack of gaming videos. I've been making a lot of unboxings. But yeah, see you guys later. Peace.